see if I did something. I need scissors.
Or just grab a knife. You have scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 of them are burned, so I'm gonna need 2. Here, I'm gonna remove here the other one. So all you have to do is actually press on the light bulb and then put it down. And just out. And then all you have to do is twist it towards your left, like a clock, and it comes out very easily. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting the new ones here. Thank you, Kristen.
First one.
So we'll start with this one here. So as you can see, there's 2 spots, and the bigger spot is where you're going to actually put it in, and then you turn it, and then you take that here, and we're going to have to enter it right here, right there, and then place this back in its place. Not this one. Is that the right one? Okay. So exactly the same principle. Take this here. And you switch. In here. And put it back. This one is not well plugged in. I'm going to be putting it back. Okay. And go ahead, turn on the lights. They're all back in their places. Voila! The lights are on. Love it. Perfect. So as you can see, it takes exactly a few minutes